Here we go. Hey, baby. Where's Daddy? Is Daddy up there? Is Daddy up there? Where's Daddy? Talk to her so she'll stick her head back up.
Violet. Violet. Look over here.
There she goes.
Yeah. No, move. Back over here. Oh, her head's stuck. There she goes.
Aw.
She fixed it.
You got it? Do it again. Find Daddy.
You're crazy. Hey, talk to me.